Hey everyone, welcome. So ready to master the Amazon Relay app for hauling loads in this year? This app helps you navigate, manage loads, and save time at Amazon facilities, but only for approved relay carriers. So guys, you can download this app from the Apple App Store or Google Play. After that, log in with your relay carrier credentials. Your company must be approved by Amazon. Tap driver mode to access driver-specific features like navigation or load settings. After that, I got logged out once using wrong creds, so double check with your carrier. In the Trips tab, you can see your assigned loads with pickup and drop-off times, locations and load IDs. Tap a load for step-by-step instructions like scanning the load ID barcode at the facility, which shows your slip number. Use load history to review the last 2 weeks of hauls. Report delays via the report issue button to avoid dings on your carrier's score. After that, you can tap on the navigate for truck-friendly routes to Amazon facility gates, avoiding low bridges and residential areas. Check route-specific weather updates for every 10 minutes and severe weather alerts. If navigation fails, switch to Waze or Google Maps. Lane guidance helps with turns, but mute audio to avoid music glitches, says Reddit. So, at the facility, use the app's QR code gate pass for fast check-in at relay lanes. Follow in-yard instructions for drop and hook or live uploading. Submit digital proof of delivery or bills of lading via the app to track paperwork. Also check X for driver tips on relay. Guys, if you have any questions, drop them below, like and subscribe and ring the bell. See you next time.